When the time comes to say goodbye, the CuddleCot disassembles effortlessly, fitting neatly back into its specially designed storage box. Switch off the unit by pressing the power button. Do not unplug until the fan stops operation. Disconnect the hose from the unit by pressing the button on the underside of the control unit and gently pulling on the hose. Drain the water by inserting the drain key provided under the water reservoir. Wipe surfaces with a sanitizer wipe. Do not spray the machine or use bleach. To drain the water from the hose and pad, insert the drain key into the large hose connector. Wipe surfaces with a sanitizer wipe. Store all CuddleCot pieces in the CuddleCot storage box. All CuddleCot parts are reusable and should not be discarded. We recommend replacing pads every 12 months. To order spare parts, visit CuddleCot.com.